Hello and welcome to SI Tutorials. My name is Anthony Williams and I will be your host. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your independent samples t-test table fit into Word. As you can see, it's extremely wide. So when you copy it and you paste it into Word, it's basically way too long for the page. It basically makes that page a lot longer. Okay, or a lot wider, I should say. So all you have to do is click the little arrow thingy up here. So you select the table once you have it in Word. Then right click it, choose Auto Fit and Auto Fit to Window. Now it could be, I don't have anything else typed in here, so it could be that it turns your page sideways, in other words into landscape orientation. And so if it does that, as you can see here, it's made it it's 11 across instead of 8.5, and you can see it's landscape. So in order to fix that, go up to Layout, click Orientation, and then Portrait, and voila, you have your t-test table has fit into your Word document. And that is just that simple. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.